everyone. You're watching Kababayan LA. Ako po si Janelle Song, inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles. Also on Twitter, twitter.com/Janelle Song. Ngayong hapon, I'd like to invite all of you, samahan niyo po ako, maglalakwatsa po tayo. We have reports from you from all over, even all the way to the Philippines, sa Cavite po. Makakasama natin isang kababayan mamaya lang dito sa ating programa. But for now, Hollywood update naman tayo with the Nepales Reports. One of my favorite columnists, Miss Janet Nepales, also a member of the Hollywood Foreign Press Association. Ang kanya pong regular column matatagpuan sa philippinenews.com. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Miss Janet Nepales.
Hi, Janelle. Magandang hapon sa iyo.
And welcome back. You know, what a treat for you. You went to the Philippines after the 18 years, if I'm not mistaken?
No, 2 years lang. Si Ruben yung 18 years.
So ikaw pala, nakakabalik-balik ka na. But
yes.
Meanwhile, Janet, you know, after that nice reunion in the Philippines, you got back here, and what a treat, your first, one of your first projects when you got back, attend the cast party for Glee. How was that like?
Yeah, it was so fun kasi lahat ng cast ng Glee nandun. Nasama ko nga yung anak ko, si Ella, at saka yung kanyang friend. And na-meet namin si Jane Lynch and Matthew Morrison, Leah Michelle, and other members ng cast. At marami silang mga chika sa akin, mga scoop nila.
Oh my God, yes, we are looking at the pictures. You look like you're having the time of your life. But Janet, we would like to know, the season has just begun. Ano bang mga surprises for this season?
Yeah, they're coming come up with Madonna songs. There's a special song that they're coming up, and they're gonna invite also like Olivia Newton-John, si Neil Patrick Harris coming up, at marami pang mga Lady Gaga songs coming up too.
Wow, even Lady Gaga songs. I'm sure a lot will be looking out for that. Janet, were you able to talk to the cast members? You know, when they started this, did they think that it was going to be such a big hit like this?
Yeah, they didn't expect it to hit, pero talagang very positive daw kasi ang message ng Glee according to the creator. So talagang naging favorite ng mga estudyante. At naimbita nga sila sa White House during the Easter celebration. Na-meet nila the Obama family, the kids, and they were happy also to perform for them.
How exciting. But you know what, last week nakausap namin dito ang iyong other half, si Ruben Nepales, and he talked to us about his experiences in the Philippines, although after 18 years. Ikaw naman, ano naman ang mga ginawa mo sa Pilipinas?
Naku, hectic din. Marami rin akong na-meet doon mga kaibigan natin. Si Ricky Dabao na tumatakbo din for Councilor 4th District, Quezon City. Tapos si Joey Reyes at si Director Joey Reyes, may ginagawa silang Working Girl 2010 based on the 1984 hit.
Naikwento ba sa iyo ni Ricky kung ano ang plano niya, kung siya ay mahalal na council member ba sa...
Councilor, yeah,
Councilor.
Sa 4th District, Quezon City.
Oo, kasi you know, alam mo naman tayo mga Pilipino, medyo wary na tayo na magboto ng mga artista para sa mga offices, public offices in the Philippines.
Yeah, pero si Ricky is very honest and down to earth siya sa amin. Nakakatuwa nga siyang kausap at mahilig din pala siyang kumanta. Mapalabiro ang Ricky Dabao.
Ayan, okay, we wish him luck sa kanyang kampanya. Meanwhile, another couple that you met, or pair that you met, Oliver Tolentino and his business partner, alam ko dito sa Amerika madalas kayo mag-hangout. Also in the Philippines, you got to hang out?
Yeah, he was there also, and I learned also he's doing the gown of Lea Salonga for her concert with Patty Austin, Heart and Soul.
Oh, that is good. Another person that you met, Bessie Badia. Ito naman ay talagang pinagmamalaki natin, no? Because of what she has accomplished in life, and also she's not stopping. Yung kanyang Bacal Boys, talagang it's garnering attention.
Yes, Bacal Boys is in fact nominated sa Urian Awards, and also she also showed to me yung kanyang autobiographical documentary Dance of My Life, which was really touching and moving. I learned more about her from that movie.
You know what, Janet, for those of us who are not very familiar with her, what is so special about Bessie Badia?
Bessie is a survivor. She's a fighter. You know, she has gone through life so many things. Nagkaroon din siyang cancer and everything, and despite of that, she has survived and metamorphosed into an independent producer and another modeling again at age 50, you know.
So
I was
50?
really impressed, yes.
Wow, we're looking at her picture. She doesn't look like it.
She's turning 52 in September.
Wow, very pretty.
Yeah, she's not embarrassed to say that.
Yeah, na-share ba niya sa'yo yung kanyang beauty secret?
Oh yeah, exercise. She loves to dance. Kaya nga itong Dance of My Life is also the title. It's a very appropriate title for her documentary on her life.
All right. And speaking of title naman, Janet, I know you talked to director Gil Cortez also. Ano bang, he's working on a new film. Meron na bang title ito?
Yes.
What is it about?
The title is Two Funerals. It's about a grieving mother, si Tessie Tomas, who's looking for her, recovering the body of her daughter. Eh, ang nangyari, nagkaroon ng funeral mix-up. So she had to travel from north to south just to look for the body of her daughter. So it's a very interesting and funny movie too.
Yeah, it sounds like it's a comedy. Pambato pa rin ba natin yan sa mga international film festivals and
We
competitions?
hope so. Yeah, we hope so.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Janet. Alam ko mas marami
Thank
pa kami
you.
aabangan sa yung column sa Philippine News.
Yes, we're gonna write about Harry Potter soon because we're going to London, so we're looking forward to writing about that.
Wow, have a safe trip to London.
Thank you.
That was Janet Nepales, ang ating pong kababayan sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association. Abangan ang kanyang mga columns sa Dateline Hollywood, PhilippineNews.com. We will be back for more. Don't go away.